Hello everybody, this is Ali Reza. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Smart Home. I have dedicated this video to resetting YDM4109 Plus to factory default. In case you forget or lose master pin code, resetting this model of door lock is helpful. Before continuing the video and showing you how you can set this model of door lock to factory default, please click the subscribe button and motivate me to upload more videos if you haven't done it. Stay with me. This is the interior panel of YDM4109 Plus. In order to reset this model to factory default, we must disassemble or take out the interior panel from its place. To do so, I remove the battery cover, take out these two upper batteries. By these 4 screws, this panel is tightened to the place. We must remove these 4 screws in order to take out this panel. Four screws are removed. I take out the inside panel from its place. Be careful about the wires. On the board, you can see the factory reset by removing the batteries, making a connection between these two copper pieces, holding the connection and inserting the battery. The door lock is reset to factory default. Let's try it. I place the wire, then I insert the battery.
Completed.
By hearing the beep sound and after that completed, the door lock is reset to factory default, and then you can remove the connection. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any question, do not hesitate to leave comments. Bye bye.